Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Four of Cups, Eight of Wands, the High Priest, the Strength card, the Moon, Shadow side or the Devil, Four of Swords, and the Empress. Oh. So mga strong signs natin dito. Leo, Pisces, and Libra. Bottom card natin, Knight of Wands. So, tingnan muna natin sa signs and symbol cards kung ano itong paparating sa'yo. So, aware ba kayo sa February Churi? Kasi mukhang ano ito, related to doon sa February Churi na mangyayari or magaganap. Kasi during this tungkol dito sa Churi na to, it's about may mga babalik, aalis, or mga ganong scenario. So we have here, ayan, hourglass, waiting shed, crystal ball. So ito kasi pwedeng may mag-start ng new relationship this February. Pwede rin naman na may mag-end bago Valentine's Day and magkaroon ng separation this month. And pwede rin may babalik from the past. Magko-continue. Ngayon. Pero dito, ang nasagap natin is about waiting. Ayan. So, ang nasagap natin dito ay tungkol sa isang tao na marahil hinihintay mo or naghihintay sa'yo. So, itong taong to, maaaring nireject mo na siya in the past or baliktad. Pwedeng ikaw ang na-reject nitong taong to. So, tingnan natin message ng Archangels. Kasi itong taong to, iniisip ka niya, lalo na kapag rainy days, maring divine counterpart energy to, with the shoes and target. We have here compassion by Archangel Zadkiel. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. And let's see sa ating tarot messages, oracle cards. I'm proud of you. You're my inspiration. So, during this separation, itong taon to, alam niya yung mga nangyayari sa'yo, na na-achieve mo yung mga goals mo, yung mga target mo, and this person is really proud sa mga na-achieve mo sa buhay. And dahil doon, ginagawa ka niyang inspirasyon sa araw-araw. Ayan o, ang lakas ng waiting energy dito. Naghihintay siya sa'yo. I want to surprise you. Maaaring it's a surprise visitation na itong taon to na babalik sa'yo, na maaaring hindi mo na talaga in-expect na babalik siya this month. I will start to save money. You're so sweet and caring. Moving forward. And it hurts so badly. So ito yung taong maaaring the greatest love. Yung greatest love mo. or the one that got away, na pinakamasakit sa lahat na naging karelasyon mo, can I call you? So, mari mag-a-attempt muna siyang tumawag. Tingnan natin, more messages. Kasi ikaw pa rin ang gusto nitong taong to. The main target is you. Lalo na kung ito ay divine partnership. Kasi mukhang parehas na kayo nag-healed from this connection. Maring matagal na. 4 to 8 years na kayong walang communication. I want to tell you how I feel. I couldn't let you get close to me. I look for you everywhere. I know that I was a distraction from your pain. I replay our conversations over and over. I lost myself for a little while. I bury myself in work to forget you. So, hindi umubra itong ginawa niya. I know I messed up everything. Kaya minsan lagi siyang nag-iinom para makalimot. I wish things could be different. So, maaring marami kayong mga conflicts, differences, na sa tingin niya malabong ayusin or mahirap ayusin. Kuha tayo ng initials. Letter D. Letter O. E. N. X. P. C. B. Bottom card natin, letter A. Tingnan natin, general signs and messages. Beautiful. Summer. 3. Present lover. Libra. Smart. December. Vulnerable. Killer smile. Capricorn. Gorgeous, selfie-holic, karmic relationship. Number 4. 7. Twin flame for some of you. Chaser. So, ayan, maghahabol tong taong to ngayon eh. Ngayong February magaganap yan. Crazy for you. Ayan. Cute and chubby. Soon. Food lover. August. Flower. Logical. Trouble. Sagittarius. Soulmate. September. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and long distance. So yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.